This 5-minute solution will show you how to find Facebook copyright free music for free and download trending song. So if you're searching for copyright free song or music for your Facebook video, you can follow these simple steps. First of all, open your browser and search here copyright free music for Facebook. And we are going to use the official Facebook music library. So open this website facebook.com sound, check this box and click on I agree, and here you will get lots of free music for your Facebook video. You can search for a specific song using the search box, and then click on this download button to download the music. So this is how we can get copyright free music for our Facebook video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.